let's try Japanese ketchup.
So we all know regular ketchup is the worst. It's just overly sweet. It needs to be banned. And I have this in my house for demonstration purposes only. I didn't even peel off the cap. This is called Kagome. It has a Hello Kitty on the packet. Let's peel off the top. Okay, the smell kind of reminds me of Pakistani ketchup. It's not regular ketchup. It kind of reminds me of this with less spice. It does seem to have a bit more of a tang. It's not just pure sugar. Like, there's something else to this. But there's not really a lot of spice in here. I would say it is a bit like regular ketchup, but it has more vinegar. I would say this is still better than regular ketchup, but if I were to choose, I'm still not going to buy Japanese ketchup. I'm going to stick with hot sauce or some Pakistani ketchup because this has a good amount of spice into it. And also, just to clarify, I don't hate ketchup completely. I just hate it on its own. I don't mind mixing this with some Pakistani ketchup to make a better sauce. I just can't have this on its own. Okay, that's not bad. So if I were to give ketchup a 1.3 out of 10, I'm giving Japanese ketchup a 3.9 out of 10. Hot sauce all the way. Wait, I also had to buy this online. Shipping and the total cost ended up being like 30 bucks, so I'm definitely not buying this again.